What's going on, YouTubers? Taking a look around the garden. We have pods everywhere. This is the BBM. Thing is just loaded with pods. I have so many pods on this thing, it's sickening. Overall looking good. Then we have this, the unknown plant. Just rained last night, so everything is wet. I don't know what this is, but it is what it is. Squirrel stole the tag. So this is, I believe, the West Texas, the Wild Texas, yeah. Got a few ripening up on there. I already plucked quite a few. These branches are pretty gnarly. And they just produce. So yeah, looking good. This is the Ahi Crezo. It's doing pretty good. Got peppers all over it. This is the one that stunted back in the beginning of the year. And these leaves are pretty big now. So I can't really complain. It came back full force. Pod's looking beautiful on there. It's good old Carolina Reaper. Right here. Got a few ripening up. I did tag a few. I am working on a cross, which is the Dix Bugla. Right here, and it looks like it took Dix Bugla and a Reaper cross. So, but the plant does have quite a few pods on there, flowering like crazy. So I'll take that. Jonah X. Right here, I did a review on this not long ago. Pods are looking really good, starting to ripen up everywhere. Butch Tea, I haven't had real much success with this. It has flowers everywhere. Everywhere. I mean, you just look at it. There's flowers everywhere. No pods. I don't have one single pod on here, I do not believe. Yeah, weird. Crazy. Never had an issue with that. Here's my lemon drop. It's an Ahi variety. And a cranking right here. Kind of got overtaken by it. But overall, it's looking good. And here's another one that's unknown. I don't have a clue what it is. Squirrel took the tag. I don't know why. So those two tags came up missing. So, yeah. I think it's a peach scorpion. I don't know. Very interesting. It has the tail. Crazy looking tail. But it's loaded with pods. And they're all looking like they're scorpions. But I don't know. Peach scorpion, I don't know. Peach rush? No, the peach rush is down in the garden. Habanero bought from the nursery. This is why I don't buy plants from nurseries. I've taken care of it just like I've taken care of all these. And I'm still getting the same result. This puny thing. That's what we get for buying it from nurseries. Great soil. Nothing wrong with soil. So, this, the BTR Scorpion. I've showed you guys this a lot. Humongous leaves. Pod's looking really good. This one's actually starting to fully ripen up almost. This one back here as well. Got one up in there starting to go as well. But the thing is loaded with freaking pods everywhere. Look at this pathetic thing. This tomato looks horrible. Horrible. It's like purple. I don't even know why. But it put off a few tomatoes, so screw it. I'm just going to leave it there. It's one of my fails of the year. Is this tomato and that habanero plant. Let's take a quick look before we walk down into the garden. Looking good, not too shabby. Not too shabby. Take a walk down here. I might walk over there and take a look at my maters. Walking over here to take a look at these good old things over here. Dix Bugla. That's actually pretty big for the plant. I haven't had one get this big, so that is new for me. Let's get up in here. Dix Bugula's is ripening pretty well. I mean, this one seems to be a strong F6 plant. So I'm going to keep seeds from it. Majority of the pods are looking like I want them to. They're looking like the Moruga. So I have like maybe one or two that look like Bucholokia, which I'll take that, and even that's starting to get a tail on it. So I'll definitely take that. Typically these plants are no bigger than that, really small. As you see the size difference, it's kind of bigger than what I was expecting. These two are pretty much the same here and there. This thing's humongous, so I'm probably not going to keep any seeds from this one. I'm going to keep from these two because I want it to stay compact, but put off a ton of pods. This thing does have pretty big leaves compared to this one. The Dix Bugula overall should have small leaves and put off a ton of pods. That's what I wanted to work for, and that's pretty much what I got out of these two. This one, I don't know. Something about it. I think it's taking more of the line of the Bucholokia. Now, let's see if we have any pods on here. Yeah, I don't even think I have pods on here. So I'm going to 86 this plant, which 86 in a restaurant means get rid of, don't have, etc. And keep these two and keep the best quality seeds. See, this has more like the line of Bucholokias. That's pretty gnarly looking pod. Yeah, most of these look like, that's pretty gnarly one right there. Yeah, that's pretty gnarly. Pretty gnarly pods on this plant, but I'm probably not going to keep this seeds from this plant either. There's a good one. Got that nice little tail on it, like it should. Oh yeah. I'm probably not going to keep seeds. I'll probably just keep seeds from this plant and that plant only. Oh, the best quality looking seeds. Here's Dave's yellow brain strain. Got a few pods on there. Nothing too large, I don't think. Bell pepper and back, got a few of them on there. I don't even know what this is. It's definitely not Dix Bugula. 7-pot mustard. Got quite a few pods on there from that plant. Don't know what this plant is either. Sorry guys, I'm just running through it. Chocolate Brazilian right here. I don't know if I have any pods on there. Oh yeah, I got at least one, a couple of them. Yeah, looking pretty good. Back there it looks like, I don't know, the tag's all covered in dirt and you can barely see it. Alright, this mess right here looks like a ahi, a peach rush. I don't know what this thing is. Nagla Brown right here, which I got a few of them on there. Nagla Brown. Peach Rush in the back. Bunch of them on there. They're going crazy. Dave was saying these are kind of hard to tell when they're ripe, and they are really hard. Ahis just everywhere. I can just move this plant and you can just see pods everywhere pretty much. It's looking good. Ahis probably about 4 foot right now. And this is the Butla right here, which is pretty wicked pod overall. Got quite a few of them on there, if y'all can see that. Pretty gnarly looking pods. This is going to be a nice one to review. This little one right here looks like the yellow Primo. Chocolate Reaper right here, which I got quite a few pods on there. Looking good. Again, y'all can see. Nothing worth showing, I guess. And here is the Yankee Blue, which is getting freaking huge. It's a 5-foot pole right here, and it's already halfway up it, over halfway. I mean, pods are looking good. Got a nice variety of pods on there. Here's the Chocolate Boot right here. Got quite a few pods on there as well. This little thing right here is the Caramel Moruga, and it is staying very small. No flowers on it, maybe a couple. I don't think I have any pods on there, and yeah, no pods, which is weird. So yeah, I do have a issue. I have a critter. I don't know if y'all can see this. Nope, can't really see because of rain. It draws a path coming down here from there. And it ate all my peaches. Every freaking peach I had, it devoured it. Every peach I had. I have one peach right there and one peach right there. And that is it. All my peaches are gone. It's a hawk or an animal. Maybe a groundhog. I don't know. Something's coming in and taking my damn peaches. Over 60 some peaches gone. So kind of sucks, but what can you do, right? Animals will eat, and they do not care what they eat as long as they get some food. Ooh, my tree is weighed down with water. Let's walk over here. Maters. We have tomatoes everywhere. You name it, I have tomatoes. Make a bunch of sauces this year. Just a sea of tomatoes. See back there, got a decent sized ones. Got a couple big ones. Looking good though, cannot complain. Couple back there, quite a few back there. You can see them all. Can't wait for all these to turn red. Couple right there, got a couple ripe ones right there, the yellows. This thing's putting off though. And these things are pretty tall, they're over 6 foot. That's about it. Yeah, watermelon's doing good. I got a watermelon right there. Right there. Grapevine's doing phenomenal. I can't wait for next year. This is supposed to be just a pepper update, but it is what it is. Run around the whole garden, you know. Unscripted. Yep, that's just a look at 2016 pod update. Talk to you guys later. See ya.